What if I told you there's a German luxury sedan that's more reliable than most Japanese economy cars? Yeah, I know. It sounds like dealership fiction, but stick with me because the data doesn't lie. While everyone's obsessing over the latest tech-loaded SUVs that'll drain your savings account faster than a Vegas weekend, smart buyers are quietly snatching up these 7 bulletproof machines that just refuse to die. Picture this. It's 2035 and you're still driving the same car you bought today. No major repairs, no midnight breakdowns, just oil changes and tire rotations while your neighbor's on their 3rd car payment. Today, I'm revealing 7 cars that Consumer Reports and J.D. Power say will outlast your mortgage. And number 7 isn't what anyone expects. It's a luxury sedan that completely shatters every stereotype about expensive cars being money pits. We've analyzed reliability data from over 300,000 vehicles, cross-referenced J.D. Power's vehicle dependability studies, and dug into real owner reports spanning decades. What we found contradicts everything the average buyer believes about car reliability. Number 1. Hyundai Elantra. Starting our countdown at number 1. Yeah, we're going reverse here, building to the best. We've got the Hyundai Elantra. Now, I know what you're thinking. A Hyundai? Really? But here's the thing. Hyundai has quietly transformed from the butt of reliability jokes into a legitimate force in dependability. The Elantra comes with that famous 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Think about that for a second. Hyundai is so confident this engine and transmission will last, they're literally betting their reputation on it. And you know what? The data backs them up. Recent J.D. Power studies show Hyundai climbing steadily in reliability rankings, now outperforming several Japanese brands. The secret sauce here is simplicity. While everyone else is adding turbos and complicated hybrid systems to their base models, the Elantra keeps it straightforward. That 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine. It's understressed, overbuilt, and runs on regular gas. No turbo to fail, no direct injection to carbon up, just old-school reliability with modern efficiency. Real owners are reporting 200,000-plus miles with nothing but regular maintenance. And at around $25,000 starting price, you're getting Korean reliability at a price that won't make your spouse question your sanity. Number 2. Subaru Impreza. Moving up to number 2, the Subaru Impreza is the car that nobody talks about but everybody should. It's like that quiet kid in class who ends up becoming a NASA engineer. Unassuming, but brilliant. Here's what makes the Impreza special. Standard all-wheel drive. Not optional. Not an expensive upgrade. Standard. Every single Impreza comes ready to handle whatever Mother Nature throws at it. And that AWD system? It's been refined over decades to be basically bulletproof. The Boxer engine sits lower in the chassis, reducing stress on components and improving balance. Sure, older Subarus had head gasket issues, but modern Imprezas have completely solved that problem. Current generation owners are sailing past 150,000 miles without even thinking about major repairs. Consumer Reports consistently ranks Subaru near the top for brand reliability, and the Impreza benefits from all that engineering knowledge packed into an affordable package. Plus, insurance companies love these things. Lower accident rates mean lower premiums, saving you money every single month. If you're enjoying this video so far, a quick like would mean a lot. It helps more people find honest, down-to-earth car advice. And if you subscribe, you'll get calm, practical guides that make car buying easier. Now, let's get back to the list. Number 3 has a quiet truth about hybrid reliability. Number 3. Toyota Camry Hybrid. At number 3, the Toyota Camry Hybrid is basically the Fort Knox of family sedans. Toyota just went all in for 2025, making every single Camry a hybrid. No more gas-only option. When the most conservative car company on earth makes that move, you know they've got the reliability thing figured out. We're talking 51 miles per gallon in the real world. Not EPA fantasy numbers, actual real-world efficiency. But here's the kicker. That hybrid system isn't just saving you gas money, it's actually making the car more reliable. The electric motor takes stress off the gas engine during acceleration, the regenerative braking means your brake pads last twice as long, and the whole system has been refined through literally millions of Priuses. J.D. Power data shows the Camry consistently ranking at the top for dependability. Fleet operators, the people who actually track every penny of operating costs, are choosing Camry hybrids for cars that need to run 24/7. When taxi drivers in New York City are putting 300,000 miles on these things and still going strong, that tells you everything. The interior isn't fancy, but it's built like a bank vault. Every switch, every button, designed to work perfectly after a decade of daily use. That's the Toyota way. Obsessive refinement over flashy features. Number 4. Subaru Legacy. Number 4 brings us back to Subaru with the Legacy, and honestly, this might be the most underrated sedan in America. While everyone's going crazy for SUVs, the Legacy is quietly delivering everything families actually need without the SUV price tag or fuel consumption. The Legacy shares its platform with the Outback, which means you're getting that same bomb-proof reliability, but in a more efficient, better handling package. The standard AWD system, again standard on every model, means you're getting traction that embarrasses most SUVs costing twice as much. Here's something wild. Subaru has one of the highest brand loyalty rates in the industry. Legacy owners don't just like their cars, they buy another one. And another one. That's not marketing magic. That's people voting with their wallets based on real ownership experience. The 2.5-liter Boxer engine is smooth, efficient, and proven over millions of miles. No turbo complexity in the base model, just naturally aspirated reliability. And those CVT transmissions everyone worries about? Subaru's version has proven remarkably durable when properly maintained. Number 5. Honda Accord Hybrid. Coming in at number 5, the Honda Accord Hybrid is what happens when engineering excellence meets common sense. Honda took their already bulletproof Accord and added a hybrid system that somehow makes it even more reliable. The Accord Hybrid uses a completely different approach than Toyota. No traditional transmission at all. The electric motor drives the wheels most of the time, with the gas engine acting like a generator. Fewer moving parts equals fewer things to break. It's genius in its simplicity. Real-world fuel economy? We're talking 48 miles per gallon combined, with some owners seeing over 50 on highway trips. But the party trick is the power delivery. Smooth, seamless, and absolutely effortless. The engine rarely needs to work hard, which means it's going to last basically forever. Honda's reputation for reliability isn't just marketing fluff. These engines are known for crossing 300,000 miles when properly maintained. Add in the hybrid system that reduces wear, and you're looking at a car that might outlive you. Seriously, there are million-mile Accords out there still running. Number 6. BMW 5 Series. Okay, number 6 is where things get interesting. The BMW 5 Series. I can already hear you screaming at your screen, a BMW in a reliability list? Have you lost your mind? But hear me out, because this is where the data gets fascinating. The modern 5 Series, specifically the current generation, has achieved something remarkable. BMW finally figured out that customers were tired of $2,000 water pump replacements and electrical gremlins. The B58 inline-6 engine in the 540i. It's possibly the best engine BMW has ever built. Smooth, powerful, and shockingly reliable. J.D. Power's recent studies show BMW climbing dramatically in reliability rankings, now sitting in the top 10. That's not a typo. BMW, top 10. Reliability, The 5 Series specifically has been leading this charge with fewer problems per 100 vehicles than many Japanese competitors. Here's the secret. Buy one with the inline 6, not the V8. Skip the complicated options like rear-wheel steering. Get the basic suspension, not the air setup. Maintained properly, these cars are crossing 150,000 miles with just regular servicing. And unlike the stereotype, parts prices have actually become reasonable, especially if you use quality aftermarket options. The driving experience? Nothing else on this list comes close. This is a car that makes every commute feel like a special occasion while still being dependable enough for daily duty. Number 7. Lexus ES Hybrid. Remember, it's only 2025 model. And here we are. Number 7. The Apex, the pinnacle, the Lexus ES Hybrid. This isn't just the most reliable car on our list. It might be the most reliable luxury car ever built. Lexus has dominated J.D. Power's dependability studies for 3 consecutive years. The ES Hybrid takes everything Toyota knows about reliability, adds everything they've learned about hybrid technology, then wraps it in leather and wood that'll still look fresh in 2040. The numbers are almost comical. We're talking about 44 miles per gallon from a full-size luxury sedan. Owners routinely report going 200,000 miles with 0 major repairs. Not few repairs. 0. Oil changes, tires, and maybe a battery after 150,000 miles. That's it. The ES Hybrid uses Toyota's proven 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with electric assist, delivering 215 total horsepower. It's not fast, but it's smooth as silk and quieter than a library at midnight. Every component has been tested in millions of Camrys and Avalons before being refined for Lexus duty. But here's what really sets it apart. The dealer experience. Free loaner cars for any service, complimentary car washes, service advisors who actually know your name. It's like buying into a luxury club that happens to come with a car that'll run forever. Insurance companies practically give these away to insure because they're rarely stolen, rarely crashed, and rarely need expensive repairs. Your total cost of ownership over 10 years might actually be less than a Honda Accord when you factor in everything. So there you have it. 7 cars that laugh at planned obsolescence. From the budget-friendly Elantra to the luxurious ES Hybrid, each of these machines represents a different philosophy of reliability. But they all share one thing. They're built to last decades, not just warranty periods. The smart money isn't on the flashiest car or the newest technology. It's on proven engineering, refined over years and backed by real-world data. Pick any of these 7, maintain it properly, and you'll be that person still driving the same car in 2040 while everyone else is on their 3rd loan. Got a reliability story of your own? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if this video saved you from buying a money pit, check out our next video on amazing SUVs. See you there!